The Police Activity League program is a program that has been established here in Visalia for about 18 or 19 years. One of the big parts of the program is having officer involvement in with the kids, so the kids get to know them, they're not scared of them, things like that. And having a facility like this and the leadership programs and the activities that we do with the kids will just give them kids a chance to be in a safe place and make smart decisions, and we can help them with those decisions.
The grant has provided us with funds to be able to establish a youth leadership program where we're recruiting kids that are at risk of gangs to try and expose them to a different world. We partner them with police officers where they are mentored, they do community service with the police officers. We're putting them through team building, leadership, etiquette training to make them feel more empowered, make them feel more secure.
I learned a lot of stuff like trusting people and communicating with other people that I haven't seen before. I did care about my scores and everything, but now it makes me want to be better in school, make something with my life.
Being part of this project is a big thing because I really changed when I started. I never been to that hospital where you get to see other people that they can't do nothing, they're just in the room.
Young kids like me should come because you have fun, you have friends, you connect with them, and it helps you do the right thing.
Since we've been with this group of kids, I've seen them bond, the broad range of kids. We have 11 to 16-year-olds, and they're all drawing from each other, they're all learning from each other. They don't want to leave, they don't want to end the group, and that's really exciting to see that they want to continue to be a part of it.
If you go, it will be so fun that you will want to sleep there.